Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and we just received this 2022 Aviara AV36 Outboard. This boat is sold. It was custom ordered for a local family here in Charleston, and it has finally arrived, and they will be taking delivery soon. But if you would like to come by and see this boat in person, Aviara makes 36, 32, and 40-foot inboard and outboard open day boats. Really high quality build, incredible ride, very seaworthy, very feature rich as well. These boats are designed specifically for coastal boating, but also great for freshwater. If you'd like to come by and see this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Check us online at marinemax.com, and be sure to visit our store at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive, just off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building right off the highway. Again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.